Number 20 asks us for the volume of this shape. So we'll find the volume of the rectangular prism plus the triangular prism. In both cases, these are prisms. Remember that for a prism, there are always two congruent bases, like the top and the bottom. For this rectangular prism, we could have also thought of the left and the right side as the bases, because they're congruent polygons, or even the front and the back. But I'm going to choose the bottom and the top to be the bases of this prism. For the triangular prism, we don't have those options. There's only one pair of sides that could be the bases, because there's only one pair of sides that are congruent bases that are just pulled away from each other. That would be the front triangle and the back triangle. So remember that for a prism, the height of the prism is the distance, the perpendicular distance from one base to the other. So the distance between these bases is the height. But for this triangular prism, the height is going to be this dimension from here to here. Because again, the height of the prism is the distance from one base to the other congruent base. So that's the height. All right, the volume of this entire shape then, we'll use the formula for the volume of prisms, which looks like this. The area of the base multiplied by the prism's height. And for the green prism, the volume is also the area of the base times its height. So what's the area of one of these rectangular bases, and what's the area of one of these triangular bases? It's a rectangle that's 45 by 17. Then the height of this prism is the distance between bases, which is 20. From the bottom to the top is 20. All right, now let's do the same thing for the triangular prism. The area of the base, well, the base is this green triangle. And the base of this triangle is 45, and its height is 18. So that is the area of the triangular base. And then the height of this prism that we have to multiply it by is the distance between those two bases, which is 17. And there we have it. Add it up, and we have the volume of the overall composite solid. So our total volume is 22,185 cubic centimeters.